Hello, how is your study going on? In which class are you reading? In which class were you last year? In which class will you be next year? How many marks did you get this year? What's the aim of your life? Are you preparing for examination? In which month will your examination start? Do you like technical or professional education? After passing 10th class, which faculty would you like to take? Which subject is very interesting? In which subject do you feel problem? At what time do you study at home? Do you get up early in the morning for studying? Do you go for tutio? Tell me the name of the subject that you do not want to study. Is it easy to learn English language? Do you always learn meaning? Do you do your homework yourself? Do you take extra period in your school? Thank you.